radio called Visiting with Miss Lou, and you got to see Miss Lou in her prime and how she you know, she speak to her people with effervescence, and she would talk about some of the challenges that she went through in becoming a folklorist and a performance extraordinaire in the world. How the pushback from the naysayers who were telling her that patois is not the way to go. That is for like uneducated people, for the people, you know. And of course, you know, in Jamaica and in the diaspora, rich and poor, everybody speak patois, but they associate speaking patois as for the people that are, you know, uneducated. And so Miss Lou wanted them to hear when Miss Lou said, listen, I know people who working hard, working people, humble people who talk patois, but them don't have bad hair, them don't speak bad language. It's the language of our ancestors, right? In